Hi there, you are much welcome to this video tutorial, and today we are going to be talking about the Roman numerals. For more than hundreds of years ago, the Romans developed a numeration system, a standard method which they would use to count, to number, and to calculate. This system they developed ages ago, interestingly enough, is still being used even today. We still see Roman numerals, or rather Roman numbers, in some clocks, in some watches, and we also see the Roman number system being used in books for numbering. Particular capital letters are used as Roman symbols. What are these letters we're talking about? If we take a look at our screen there, we're able to see capital letter I, we're able to see V, we're able to see X, we're able to see L, C, D, and M. These are the 7 basic letters that form up the Roman symbols. All the Roman numbers that exist are made up of these 7 letters, or rather symbols, Roman symbols to be particular. Also, let it be known to you that the Romans did not have a symbol for 0, for negative numbers, or for fractions. Only these 7 symbols we've looked at were the ones which were used to form every other Roman number that exists. Alright, having talked about this, let's quickly take a look at the basic Roman symbols and also their values. And then we'll move on to talk about how we can be able to form numbers and use them in calculations as well. The table we are seeing on the screen here shows us the 7 basic Roman numbers, or rather symbols. And so what we are going to do next is that we are going to attach the Arabic value or the numeric value to each of those symbols, because it is necessary and very, very important that each and every one of you is able to know the value of the basic Roman number symbols, so that that knowledge should be able to help us as we develop and learn more about the Roman number system. So the table that we have on the screen there is showing us the 7 basic Roman symbols, or rather Roman numbers. We call them basic because these are the symbols which we are able to use to form every other Roman number that is able to exist. So now we have attached the symbol and their value. So you see the I is 1, the V is 5, the X is 10, the L is 50, the C is 100, the D is 500, and the M is 1000. So be able to know the value of each of those Roman symbols or letters. If you do, it will help you a great deal.